Hey guys, everybody, welcome to Buddy Bert's Garage. I want to give you a little update on the MGB. I put the fenders back on because I just don't have enough room to work around it without them out of the way. A couple of areas I didn't like, I put little tags on them, and I don't know. That's probably fun. That fender might be okay. I've got to fix this, which is no problem. Also, I got some really light paint in a couple places, so I want to go over it again anyway. But and this side, it was another side that I was a little concerned about, but that's not too bad. The two places on the trunk that I never even noticed, I think it was where the top was. They put little marks right there, so I'm going to have that repaired. A little scratch right here, and one right here, a little run I didn't like. So, other than that, it's not too bad. This, I didn't put a lot of paint on it, so I've got to redo it. But overall, not too bad. Now, the hood, I'm really just pretty disgusted with, but I'm not giving up. Continuing sanding it, and it's going to be perfect. So that's where we stand this afternoon. It's probably the last day I'm going to be able to work on it this week. Got a couple jobs to do. But also, I got a hard top for my MGB, factory hard top, that I will, it needs to be restored and painted, of course. It's made of fiberglass, but stay tuned, and you'll be able to see that very soon. Thanks a lot. Everybody have a great day. Good morning, everybody. Buddy here from Bert's Garage. I want to go over a couple updates on the MGB. So let me show you what we're looking at. A couple areas that I wanted to redo. I've got it here, there, and there, just on the trunk, and then I'm going to wet sand everything. The hood's looking much better. I'll be working on that today, and then getting some primer on it and wet sanding it also. There was a place on the fender that just bugged me, so I'm going to work on this, get that nice and smooth. Another little area here, and there's two areas over there. Other than that, I've got a little ding in the door here that sort of bugs me if I could find it, and I think it's right here. So going to get those areas worked on today and get them primed, and then get the whole car cleaned and wet sanded, and get ready to shoot some paint on it probably next weekend, because I'll be gone a couple days this week, and then we'll get back to it. So just wanted to give you guys an update. Thank you for joining and sharing and liking, and appreciate your comments, and we'll see you soon. So stand by.